Well, here we are, Big Willow, streets of Willow Springs. Olena's very first track day ever. You ready?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Let's do this.
All right. I'm gonna load up our sticker. Number 695. Oh.
Here?
Yep. Nice and visible. Boom. Ready to race. Are we going up where?
Up there.
Yeah, that's the back side of the track. Uh-oh. Here she goes on her first session. Good luck, babe. Have fun. Here we go. There she is. How'd she do? Session number 2. Oh, almost stalled it. Off she goes. Super fast, huh? Now you know how fast this car really is. I told you we should have never sold it. So fast?
Yeah. It was all over the place.
Integra's not so bad, is it?
Oh, I can't believe what that car can do.
Session 3. First time out with some intermediate drivers. Hey babe. Hello, hello. You got the full Monty on that one. Fast cars, medium cars. Great track awareness though.
Gas.
And you're like, no.
Exactly.
Too fast. Yeah, you guys got in the thick of it with some intermediate guys.
He was like, keep going, more gas. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna fly. He was like, no, you're not. Keep going. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try it on the next one. So,
Nice. Well, good job, guys.